Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must have an Adobe ID and a paid Creative Cloud plan to proceed. Choose Photoshop Single App or All Apps if you want official beta access. Make sure your system has at least 20 GB free disk space for installation and temporary files. Update your graphics drivers and operating system to the latest stable release before installing. Download and install the Creative Cloud Desktop app if you have not already done so. Sign in with your Adobe ID inside the Creative Cloud app to enable beta options. Open the Creative Cloud Desktop app and navigate to the Apps tab to begin. Scroll until you find the Beta Apps section listed near the top. Locate Photoshop Beta and click Install to download the beta build to your machine. The beta installs alongside your stable Photoshop copy and does not overwrite it. Wait for the download to complete and follow any on-screen permission prompts relating to extensions and plugins. Restart your computer if the installer requests it to finalize system-level changes and driver initialization. Launch Photoshop Beta from the Creative Cloud app or your applications folder to test new features. Try experimental tools with sample files and workflows that match your real projects for accurate results. Use the in-app feedback option to report bugs and include diagnostic logs and reproduction steps. Expect frequent updates. Install them through Creative Cloud Beta updates to get fixes and improvements. Keep your stable Photoshop installed for production work and only rely on the beta for testing new workflows and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.